make any mistakes. We made it to Reno.
The biggest little city in the world.
Hey there, Reno. Made it to Reno, and now we're at Whitney Peak Hotel, where they have BaseCamp Climbing Gym, and they have the world's largest artificial outdoor climbing wall.
The world's largest climbing
artificial
wall.
climbing wall.
160 feet.
14 stories.
14 stories high.
This thing is crazy.
And we're not very good with heights, so we're going to watch other people climb it. We might have a little
go a little bit,
yeah,
just a little bit.
Inside they also have a bunch of different bouldering options, from some pretty easy sort of inclines to some really hard upside down crazy things. Everything from beginners to intermediates to the serious experts. We've been told that the quickest way up is 90 seconds. That's 14 floors, everybody. That is pretty insane.
14 floors in 90 seconds. That's the record. That's
but
crazy.
we're going to give it a bit of a climb. We're going to give it a shot. I'm scared.
It's really scary.
It's scary. This thing is good, but I still don't trust it. And it's scary. I'm not great with heights, so I much prefer the bouldering. You would never see me at the top of this. But
That was much harder than it looks.
So it is the fourth and final stop on the Lake Tahoe loop, and we are headed to East Lake, East Shore? East Lake.
East Shore of Lake Tahoe.
The East Shore of Lake Tahoe. Okay. You know what?
Taco.
We've been talking about tacos this morning, and which is why I've just said we're going to East Tahoe. Okay, today we're going to check out Sand Harbor State Park, which is a beautiful little cove area. We're going to do some kayaking. We might do some stand-up paddleboarding. We're going to explore the rocks. We're going to see the beautiful beaches, and we're going to check out a really cool bike trail that is just open. All right, let's go. Let's go for another day of adventures. Lake Tahoe Loop, Nevada is the place to be. Only in Nevada.
We got mountain bikes from Flume Trail Mountain Bikes, and now we're doing the East Shore Trail, and it's about 3 miles, and it hugs the lake, and it goes a little bit up into the mountains, and it is absolutely beautiful, and it is really good for safety because people used to park on the side of the road, and now people are going to bike into Sand Harbor and bike to the lake.
Come on,
instead of, oh, I gotta go, we gotta get down this mountain. But anyway, we're having a ton of fun today on the bikes for East Shore Trail, and I gotta catch up to Jules because he's fast.
Zoom, zoom, let's go. Wrapping up day 4 on our Lake Tahoe loop, and we are now at Zephyr Bay Resort. No, visit.
We're at Zephyr Cove Resort.
Zephyr Cove Resort even. I mean, there's probably a bay somewhere, but it's mostly a cove, so, you know, technically we're both right, but it is called Zephyr Cove Resort. And we're just kicking back, having a beer.
Cheers.
Cheers. There's our view.
Home sweet home.
Home sweet home for the night.
Yep.
This is van life.
Life is good.